1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the very first episode of Corner Concerts, brought to you by AppTV and WASU. We're welcomed here for the first episode with Cicada.
Come with you, we'll play at the venue, waiting for the summer to come again. Waiting for the summer to come again. July rain, it'll be warmer, we'll swim in the water, thaw our cold hearts while the trees sway. We'll thaw our cold hearts while the trees sway. When the warmth changes to the colder set of hues, we will change our key and move to the rhythm of the moon. Colors show, stems break away, they blow. Somewhere in the wind you'll find a home. Somewhere in the wind you'll find a home. Up, away you float, a beautiful bird with song in throat, singing all the way with no weight to hold. Singing all the way with no weight to hold. I can still hear you now as you sail across the clouds, and your echoed ringing sounds like you're never coming down. Someday, when the weather breaks, the winter moon will set in its place. Someday soon, someday soon, someday soon, when the sunrise blooms. Someday soon, when the sunrise blooms, when the sunrise blooms, we'll get out of this room.
Yeah.
Cool beans.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for coming and joining us for our first episode of Corner Concerts. I know you guys started as a band, not last spring, but the spring before. What kind of brought you guys together?
Me and Charleston met freshman year and started playing guitar, and he really got me to play guitar more because we would jam together. And I played guitar a little bit in high school, but never really got super into it, and then started playing with people, and that was like the coolest thing ever. Then yeah, we wanted to start a band. How'd you meet Deegan?
Is this on? I
Yeah.
believe it is, yeah.
Yes.
I met Deegan. Sorry. I met Deegan through a group chat my senior year of high school called Trappalachian State. And it was just full of a bunch of guys some dude found on Instagram and put us all in a random group chat together. And we were in Don Hall together. He was 2 floors below me. Became friends very quick. Love that boy to death. And he played bass, I played guitar, so we'd jam in the dorm rooms. And then we had a band before this. We didn't play any shows, but we would jam a lot at like Hillside, old house venue. And I was like, I know a guy. I know Braden. And then Braden was like, I know a guy. And this is the story of Gio.
Yeah, so me and Braden actually met in like a sophomore writing class. We were given like these projects to do, and she tried to group us based on like similarities in projects. So I think Braden's was on jam bands and like their effect on society, and mine was like on something crazy, like recidivism or something like that. And she put us in the same group, and Braden was like, "Oh yeah, I play guitar," and I was like, "Oh yeah, I play drums." And then we were like, "Oh, we'll play together, I guess."
Yeah.
And then you see where it got us. So
Yeah. That's it. That's where we came from.
Nice. A meeting of the minds, it sounds like.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It was lucky. You know?
All right. Y'all can go into your next song. Thanks.
just want to get straight into it.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, cool.
Hey, I just want you to know I think you're pretty rude. Hey, I've got oceans in my mind and you're the moon. Babe, you just push and pull, it changes with your mood. And hey, I'm just treading water, swimming back to you. Wait, this is all a bit too much for me to bear. Laid upon the shoreline, salted lungs, I'm gasping air. Jaded, you're just watching on with your crystalline stare. A spade is what I'd call you if I thought you'd even care.
Thank y'all.
That was awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what's the process of building a set list? I've enjoyed the first 2 songs. What's the thought behind that?
Well, you can tell it's bad by the way we all chuckle.
For this one specifically, we picked the songs we were best at.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
It's usually a day of thing. Sometimes at the venue. Once or twice
Most of the
on
time at the venue.
stage. Yeah, most of the time at the venue. A lot of times it's like time constraint wise, if we have like 45 minutes, we'll usually have like less songs we want to do. If we have more time, like an hour and a half, we're kind of like, damn, that's a long time. And we'll try to pretty much throw everything we've got, and jam a little longer. Yeah.
Normally for like a live set, we try to start out like pretty high energy. We actually start with like just kind of like an improvised jam normally, just kind of get everybody loose, ready to go. Then we'll start getting into more of our structure material. As a jam band, we really try to stray away from Grateful Dead covers, but they're inevitable. So
Yeah.
When
we enjoy
push
the
comes
ones
to
we do.
shove.
Of course.
Yeah. It sounds like it's more of a feeling.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Awesome. Take it away.
Oh, we're going to do that? Are we going to do that?
Yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready?
On the ground keeps buzzing.
So we call this one, we don't really have a name for it. The last one, we also don't have a name for it.
Yeah.
But, this one we're tentatively calling Heart Reach. That's a Terraria item for any of you gamers out there. Sorry about that. I think I'm going to count us in on this one. Are we all ready?
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? So you can do like that's a little
too
slow.
slow.
Like, yeah. That's cool. All right, ready?
All right.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The moon between two trees was me and you. Lit up good truth those starry nights. When one heart beat from two. Without a doubt, if left without, only half a heart would be left shattered there in moonlit air, stuck between the trees.
WASU.
Thanks everybody.
Yeah. That was awesome again. When you guys mentioned that you played several, or you're playing several songs that they're not new songs, but you've kind of perfected them. What are all songs kind of like a work in progress?
Definitely always. I don't know if perfect is the word, but thanks.
That
We're
last
getting there.
that last one that we played has been through so many different iterations. We used to have,
Oh my gosh.
like
yeah.
full like verse, chorus, like bridge structure. Right now,
Yeah.
we usually play it when we play electrically. It has like a gigantic breakdown in it, so we did our best to kind of catch that with the instruments we have now. I think we did an alright job, but
Yeah.
it's definitely a progress. Just getting everything worked out, getting lyrics because
Yeah. There was an special amount of gutting like for this because I don't think we've ever played acoustic together really. It's
No.
always been electric, and you just approach the two kind of different, But we've been
sure.
sitting in like small circles preparing for this. Usually
Yeah.
we're like in this dude's house, and he has like a big ass living room, and we're like one of us in each corner of it. Sorry. But yeah, it's usually like one of us in each corner, and there's like 20 feet between us all,
yeah.
So it's been a little different prepping for this, but
Now it's just been in my living room, but a little bit closer together.
yeah.
Well, y'all sound like you've played acoustic before. I would have never been able to tell.
Thanks.
But awesome. Yeah, of course. If y'all want to kick into your last song.
So I think for this last one, actually, we decided that we, as a jam band, we thought, what if we
Little
just kind
improv.
of did a little improv for this little end piece, a little something fun. You wanna give us a little something, Braden?
You on Gemini?
Let's do it, Jim.
Cool.
What do we do? Like bluesy?
I'm down.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor. It's been
This is a crazy feeling. Sorry. Go with your question.
No, thank you guys so much for joining us. You guys have been a lovely first episode.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure. We're usually on stage and it's like dark outside. You know, this is like this is a whole different vibe from what we're used to. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, shout out to
That's
AppTV,
really cool.
shout out to WASU, shout out to Beasley Media Center, shout out to
Shout out to my buddy Jack over there.
yeah,
Hey, shout out Jack.
shout out to Dr. Acock, love that man.
Thanks.
Yeah, and thanks
Very cool.
again. We're Cicada. Should we introduce ourselves?
Probably.
Maybe.
We can clip it in.
This is Charleston
I'm Charleston.
Helms. Charleston Allen Helms.
Charleston
Alan
Allen.
Helms.
This is Gio Allen Burnell. Deegan Allen Douglas. And I'm Braden Allen Reese.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks
Thank you.
everybody. All right.
Holy moly.
pretending to like you guys.
Yeah, dude, let's get out of here.
I had to take a shower.
Dude, yeah. Holy cow. Thanks.